Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. Today I'll be sharing with you why you should eat more fresh pineapples. Pineapple is a remarkable fruit. We find it enjoyable because of its sweet and exotic flavor, but it may be one of the most healthful foods available today. If we take a more detailed look at it, we will find that pineapple is valuable for boosting the immune system and respiratory health, aiding digestion, strengthening bones, reducing inflammation, curing coughs and colds, and weight loss. The pineapple was a symbol of great wealth, as it could not be grown in Europe until the 1600s. Only the rich members of the nobility and the elite could afford the benefits of this expensive but fragile fruit. Pineapple is high in manganese, a mineral that is crucial to the development of strong bones and connective tissue. A cup of fresh pineapple will give you nearly 75% of the recommended daily amount. It is particularly helpful in older adults, whose bones tend to become brittle with age. Most of the health benefits of pineapple are attributed to bromelain, a unique protein digesting enzyme. Besides only being found in pineapple, it may also have many health benefits, such as reducing the risk of cancer, facilitating wound healing, and improving gut health. Bromelain is also capable of breaking down meat proteins, which helps the body digest it more efficiently. Bromelain is also considered an effective anti-inflammatory. Regular consumption of at least half a cup of fresh pineapple daily is said to relieve painful joints common to osteoarthritis. It produces mild pain relief. In Germany, bromelain is approved as a post-injury medication because it is thought to reduce inflammation and swelling. Orange juice is a popular liquid for those suffering from a cold because it is high in vitamin C. However, fresh pineapple is not only high in vitamin C, but because of the bromelain, it has the ability to reduce mucus in the throat. If you have a cold with a productive cough, add pineapple to your diet. It is commonly used in Europe as a post-operative measure to cut mucus after certain sinus and throat operations. Those individuals who eat fresh pineapple daily report fewer sinus problems related to allergies. Pineapple contains low amounts of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants associated with reduced risk of many diseases, including heart disease. Pineapple is known to discourage blood clot development. It makes it a valuable dietary addition for frequent flyers or others who may be at risk for blood clots. An old folk remedy for morning sickness is fresh pineapple juice. Fresh juice and some nuts first thing in the morning often makes a difference. It's also good for a healthier mouth. The fresh juice discourages plaque growth. It is important to not throw the core of the pineapple out, since the majority of bromelain is found there. Probably the easiest way is to chop up the pineapple core and throw it into a smoothie. This method allows you to benefit from the nutrients and fiber found within the pineapple core, but will save you from all the chewing and the bitter taste. If you don't plan on using the core right away, simply freeze it for later use. Fresh pineapple is amazing on its own. However, you can also try incorporating it into recipes. You can add it to smoothies, kebabs, cocktails, and more. Pineapple is loaded with benefits, and it's delicious too. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.